What's up? Hey! I'm in a good mood, y'all. Y'all know why? Why? Because we're gonna be doing two of my favorite things. We're gonna be getting ready and we're gonna get high as f. It's been a minute since I sat down here and did an actual smoke sesh with y'all. I had to stop smoking because of the surgery and all that shit. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I already have a video on it. But yeah, it feels really good to get some work done, sit here in front of the camera and smoke with y'all, get ready with y'all, talk with y'all. I have no skincare. What the f? Alright, so hopefully this blunt works. My boyfriend, I need a pillow. My ass hurts so much. So hopefully this blunt works. Because my boyfriend had to go to work and he had no idea that I was planning on filming this video, so he didn't have time to roll one for me. Because, you know, when he be rolling, he creates a whole masterpiece. He should be looking like a whole bat. And I have no ashtray. All I did off camera real quick was apply some toner. He will be so disappointed. Look how skinny this blunt is. I want to ask, for anyone that's spiritual, do you guys like to light candles, manifestations, and say your affirmations while the candles are lit and you're in a very quiet space? Like it's very, you're really trying to focus on it. You know, I am very spiritual and my mom is Catholic. She put me on to like santos and candles. She told me that my saint was the baby saint, the pink one. The pink candle goes with it, right? I also like to buy a green candle for myself when it comes to my manifestation and my affirmations and things. I always get them at this botanica, right? And this time when I went to go, let me start doing my makeup. When I went to go pick it up, I saw that out of all the candles, the pink ones look weird this specific day. So I'm like, I'm looking around to see if there's more pink candles and I don't see any. The candles are really slim, like they're skinny. But this candle, the candle itself was skinny, but the container was really wide and big. And I was like, okay, even though it looks weird, it's just a pink candle. So I buy it, I go home, and when I really examine the candle, I see like little black pieces of wax inside of the glass. And then when I read the label, it says black candle. Those candles wasn't originally pink. I guess they recycled it. They took the black candle out, or the residue of the black candle, they switched it out and then they put the pink candle on there. Whatever, cool, it doesn't matter, it's recyclable, they're, you know, but it's like there's still residue of the black candle in there. And isn't like black candles considered bad? Isn't it considered doing black magic? Is that weird? Like if I was to light that candle, what the f would happen? So it's just sitting there. I don't want it either. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm breaking out a lot, like right here. I feel like it's hormonal. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's hormonal. Oh, I have too much moisturizer. My hands are slippery. Yo, last night I was so, where's the lighter? Whew, them stairs be killing me. Them stairs. So today's face illuminizer is going to be Saie Star Glow. I wish my job gave me the darker one, but hey, we're gonna make do. But I like this. I still like this. Okay, so I'm using a beauty blender to apply this. Looks like cum. I don't know what that looks like. I am a child from God. But the way it just squirts out is just black. I want to know, where are all the New York influencers at? Like, I feel like there isn't any. I'm gonna use the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. I'm gonna use Macao and Tahoe because Macao is probably too dark for me. I'm gonna put a little bit of that, more of that illuminator on the beauty blender, and then I'm gonna dip in with my foundation. Because this foundation's This foundation is really matte, and sometimes I get scared if the look comes out too matte and then it starts to look dry. Oh my god, I think I just found my favorite combo. I burned myself, ooh, with the hot comb. Shit.
Oh, still. Oh.
You know, I had this one client the other day. Wasn't I talking about something? Wasn't I talking about influencers? Like, what are the influencers? That shit. But I had this client the other day, right? Yo, she fell asleep. I love when y'all fall asleep. That shit makes me feel so good as an artist. Like, that's how light, like, if you're tired or even if you're not tired, like, if I can make you feel relaxed while I'm doing your makeup, like, that really makes me feel good. Because it means like my touch is so soft and it's just relaxing. Why do these run away and hide from you?
Moisturizer, if you know it works well under your eyes, will be absolutely fine. But covering it in an oil and expecting it to work once is not going to work. Okay, let's send it to this quickly. Just get rid of that occlusive layer. I stings a little bit, but it's not the one that...
I kind of don't feel like doing my makeup anymore. I just feel like chilling. This is Nars Caramel Concealer. Whoop. Give me a bug, need the Gucci stuff. Comment down below your favorite song right now. This is One Size Concealer. This is Milk Flakes Foundation in Cocoa, Sephora 47. I am high. Oh, a foundation in my hair. This lace needs to stay the down. This keeps like going all over the place. Okay. Yo, this is so therapeutic. If you're a weed smoker, oh my god. Okay, so I was trying to do my makeup like how I used to do it, but I do need a little bit more coverage right here on my scar because it's still healing. You know, they told me that, see how I have the two little raises at the end? They were like, if those don't go down after a little while, they're gonna have to inject them with steroids to thin the skin out, to like flatten it. So I have to bring some of this concealer down here. Yo, but yeah, this is so therapeutic. Like, I really like this. I don't know, but it's not for everyone, you know, because not everyone smokes. If only there was something like weed, but was a more toned down version of weed. I don't know why I keep doing that. Next, oh, I'm excited. I want to try this blush, this rose ink blush in Azalea. Oh, it feels so creamy. Like, I love this color. This is so pretty, so freaking cute. I love it. I love it so much, and it's so forgiving. I love this so much. Just so pretty. This looks so good. So good. Oh my god, I want to leave it like this. I don't want to set my face. I don't want to set my face. I don't want to set my face. I don't want to set my face.
Back in the basics.
This looks so good. I do want to put a little bit of contour though. I'm gonna mix these two. I'm gonna mix this Tatcha silk powder and the Laura Mercier honey. I don't know, I don't feel like talking for some reason. my god, I almost put my blunt in here in my little mercier. Now I'm gonna do brows. I'm gonna use Anastasia Brow Freeze. I'm gonna wait till it get a little warm. Oh my god. Whew. I am hot as fuck. It's like shrooms. It's like you eat it, you don't feel shit. And then out of nowhere, boom! You're high as fuck. With this benefit product, it was funny one time at work because I was selling this to a client, right? And she was used to using the Cabral, which is the same thing, but the packaging had a brush attached to it already. So she was like, do you have the Cabral? And then I was like, no, they discontinued it because they came out with this one. And she was not happy about it. I was like, ooh. I'm like, yeah, but that's the replacement. That's all that we have from Benefit. And then she was like, and you gotta buy the brush separately? That shit had me dying. I'm like, yeah, but it's a lot better. The brush is a lot better. The formula is a lot better. What's kind of cool about it is that it comes with this ridge edge right here, that when you dip your brush, you just rub it against here so that you won't dirty your cap. But yeah, she bought it anyway though, because it's like, I'm like, it's the same thing, it's just in a different packaging. She was complaining like the whole time. I'm like, oh my god, it's just a brow product. Should have brought more. Holy shit, I am high as fuck. Oh my god. Whew, what am I doing? Okay, now I'm gonna do the other eye. I don't know what the f, I don't know what I'm doing. I look crazy. To calm down a little bit. Oh, I'm losing my voice. Maybe I shouldn't light that blunt back up. Oh my god. Yeah, no, not yet, not yet. Let me do this eye and then let me see how I feel after doing this eye. Okay. Whew. I'm gonna use my Danessa Myricks Colorfix paint in chocolate. Cool. Perfecto. Haven't pulled this bad boy in a minute. Damn, she's dirty. I have to clean her. My Natasha Denona palette. I'm gonna go into this one right here. This looks just like identical to this color. Ooh, this look coming out fire. This one. Okay, I'm back. I took a Motrin. I put some lashes on, some liner. My god. This is a NYX Suede Liner in Cold Brew. Oh my god. What's wrong with me? I keep messing up. No. No, 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 no. Then I'm gonna use Sephora Collection lip liner in Molasses a little bit. Then I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury Yes Honey lipstick. I love the packaging of her stuff. It's so cute. I'm gonna get a little bit of just a random orangey, like auburn lipstick color, just to make this look more peachier instead of it being so pale beige. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this sexy ass lip gloss. It's called Ibiza Nights from Charlotte Tilbury also. I'm gonna put it on my finger because I don't want to ruin the color with anything else. Let me see how this looks on Instagram. Oh, this looks dumb cute on Instagram. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna put some blush on because I'm feeling to put some blush on. And this one specifically, this is the Scot Barnes Rosé. Oh, yo, I love this color. It's so good. Ooh, it just gives me like life. I'm gonna put a little bit of the shimmer that goes with it too, so I don't lose some of that glow. Yup, no I don't. Ooh, this is so freaking pretty. I am obsessed. I need some earrings. Oh, find me some earrings. Yes. This is the final look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comments down below. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I don't know if I said that already, but I'll see ya soon. I'm still recording.